So how do you undo the zoom feature on iPhone? Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so whenever you happen to look at your iPhone and it looks all zoomed in and kind of like unusual, you can undo it or reverse it by double clicking the screen but with 3 fingers. So you have to perform this gesture and it will zoom it out. Right, so it's not like a fault of the phone or the display, it's literally a feature and it's actually a useful one when you know how to use it. So whenever you want to return back, you can double tap with the 3 fingers again. It will zoom it back in. Or you can also just adjust the zoom. You can see move around. So yeah, once you learn how to use it, it actually becomes a very useful feature. If you don't find it useful, you can go to the settings accessibility section, and then there is the zoom feature, which you can customize, right? And perhaps you want to change some aspects of this, but you can also turn it off completely with the toggle at the top and at the top, right? And you can make sure that it never interferes with the way you use your iPhone, and it just works well, right? Your phone works according to your preferences. So that would be about it. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe and share your thoughts. I would really appreciate that. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next upcoming videos as well.